Menta ka degesngi ba ke jylla baro ka we ka lekmen bat rakhe ya ka jubilee ksia jong ka jingdap sanphew snem nadu balayo ya ka jylla. Ha West Khasi Hills lapnlong ya ka jingrakhe haplau jong ka office u deputy commissioner ha ka balawan mane shimbenta da kirang bachnong ki he sarkar kinong elam jong ki seng bhalang bat kiwe lapnia ya ka jingrakhe da uba pd sangma deputy commissioner ka West Khasi Hills district.
The main celebration is being organized at Shillong, and we will be joining online at 11. We are very glad to have with us our SP, other district officers joining this program online. And on behalf of the district administration and on behalf of all of us, I would like to extend all the district officers to this online program of the celebration of our Golden Jubilee of our statehood. We also have with us the Saunders, the headmen, the secretaries, and other community leaders from Nongstoin area. We are very glad that they are joining us in this online program. And on behalf of the district administration, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all the community leaders, the Saunders, the headmen, and the local leaders of Nongstoin area. We have also with us the members from the NGOs, and also other distinguished invitees joining us in the celebration of the Golden Jubilee of our statehood. As we all know, on the 2nd of April 1970, our state, an autonomous state of Meghalaya was created by Assam Reorganization Act 1969. Then the Parliament passed the Northeastern Reorganization Act, which 1971, which conferred full-fledged statehood to Meghalaya. Professor Gigi Swell, SDD Nichols Roy, B.B. Lungdo, Pierre Kandia, J.D. Portman, and even Hopingstone Lundo, and others who have contributed towards achieving this statehood. And today, as we remember these valiant souls, we should also imbibe the spirits, and also we should rededicate ourselves to the service of the state.